What's up, everybody? I'm gonna get a little bit of footage of this flood. As long as I've been here, I have never seen it up this high. This is the old river bridge that takes you onto the island. Lots of people out sightseeing today. That bridge over there across the street, that's the new bridge to actually get onto the island. You're only allowed to walk on this one. That right over there is a new amphitheater they started building. It's underwater. It's a little dock right there. Can't even see where it starts, but it's still connected, so it's staying in place. And here's another shot of the amphitheater, all underwater. This house here, underwater. I sure hate it for whoever lives here. Man. Yep. Since I haven't uploaded a video in a while, I figured this would be some pretty decent footage. Alright.